Forgot your Messenger PIN? No worries, I'll guide you through the whole process. To begin with, open the Messenger app on your phone. From there, click on the hamburger icon located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Next, hit the gear icon at the top to open your settings. After that, scroll down until you see the privacy and safety option and tap on it. Once inside, choose end-to-end encrypted chats to access secure chat settings. Moving forward, tap on message storage. At this point, select reset PIN. You will now be prompted to create a new PIN. Make sure it's strong but easy for you to remember. Finally, re-enter your new PIN to confirm the reset. And that's it. Your new Messenger PIN is set. Make sure to stay tuned and subscribe for more.